How to fix Discord installation has failed. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix if Discord installation has failed. The first thing you want to do is click on the search bar and search Task Manager. Now find Discord, right click and select End Task. Once that is done, you want to click on the search bar again and search Control Panel. Now click on the option of Programs and Features. Find Discord, right click and click on Uninstall. Once it has been uninstalled, you want to click on the search bar and type run. Now here you want to type %AppData% and press enter. Find Discord, right click and click on this trash can icon to delete Discord. Next you want to open run again. This time type %local appdata% and press enter. Here you want to find Discord, then delete it from here. Once that is done, open up any web browser, search for Discord download. Now download this application. Once it has been downloaded, go ahead and double click on this. Now follow the on-screen prompts to install it and you will no longer face this issue. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.